Hi, I'm going to show you what's inside my saxophone case. Okay, so let me just open it real quick. Actually, no, let's start from here. Okay, so I have these. These are things that like clip onto this, and it like turns it into a backpack. Yeah, and I don't use them all the time because they get annoying. And it. Yeah. This is like, if I got lost, they could find me through that. This is a fingering chart. This is another fingering chart. I wrote music on this. What else is in there? That's all that's in there. Let me put this back real quick. Let's open this. So yeah, basically I have this, my neck strap for my saxophone. I have a saxophone stand, so like I can hold it, and it's pretty useful. I really like this. Here, I'm going to show you what it looks like. This is what it looks like. Just put this back. And I have a box of reeds. So like when one of them goes bad. This is a 10-pack, and I'll actually leave the this pack of reeds in the description. I'll give the link in the description so you can buy them. These are 2.5 reeds. So, and then these are synthetic, crappy, like very crappy synthetic reeds that came with my saxophone that I don't use. I hate you. Yeah. This is not chapstick. This is what's it called? It's called cork grease. Yeah. And you put it on this if you can't get the mouthpiece on, and it helps it. And these are just more reeds. This is the neck piece that goes on the actual saxophone body itself. And this is the mouthpiece. Okay. And then this is the saxophone. These are the cloths. So let me just put everything back. And so yeah, there you go. There's what's inside my saxophone case. But wait, there's still one more thing. Welcome back to I Don't Care. So, you know what this is? Like, I thought, oh, look at that. Wow. Oh. Wow, that's so cool. Chinese, Japanese. Bye.